Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. What an amazing day today. Markets have dramatically increased, dramatically gone up. As you can see, let's get straight into our trades right now. What a day it's been on the markets. Let's get straight into our portfolio and you'll see what I mean. Look at that today. On the hour, on the day, we're up 5.71. What a day today on the markets. Let's get straight into the trades. What a turnaround, what a recovery, what a difference a day makes. We've had terrible times now for weeks, and have to be careful though, because we do get these rises and then it drops off very quickly. So if you're able to take some profits, I would suggest you do. It's not my recommendation. I don't give financial advice, but there you go. If it's your very first time here, click subscribe, ring the bell, give us a thumbs up. We go live every morning for the opening and closing bell. Everything you see here is live. Everything here is real. This is my real money. Just to give you full disclosure, this is my TV studio. I was voted World Piano Man by Sir Elton John. And this is where I go live every day and do live music concerts around the world. And we've raised over $1 million on my music channel. And by daytimes, I like to trade and invest for my future. Now, everything you see here is real. Everything here in my portfolio is all the money I have, apart from a few thousand to pay ongoing bills. But that's pretty much it. This is all real. And we were at 58,000 at one point. We've now dropped back down to, as you can see, 34 because of the war, because of COVID, because of the Fed, because of interest rates, inflation, so on and so forth. Mainly because of the war, though, and oil prices and everything else. But there we go. If you're over there on TikTok, welcome to all of you. Join us here on YouTube. And thank you very much for being here. Let's bring our guests in already from YouTube. The Queen of Self-Braiding, one of our traders. Beetle, Sean, hi, all the names on the screen. Thank you very much indeed. Let's go through our portfolio. Muln this morning popped up and then popped back again. So we're keeping an eye on Mullen Automotive. The main portfolio is up $1,821, 5.5%. Fantastic growth there today. Absolutely fantastic. Such a day. But unfortunately, I can't take any profits because there's a lot of my stocks are still out of the money. We're not actually making any money, even though we're up right now. I'm going to keep all these stocks. And hopefully they won't drop back tomorrow. Of course, that's the idea. Let me check in on everybody over there on TikTok. Let me have a quick look. Bring you into the show as well. Let me bring you in now. Here we go. Find myself on TikTok. There we go. There is everybody. Welcome to all of you. All right, who have we got listening in? Drop your name on the screen. Tap the screen, and I will call out your name. Charlene Spinks World, how are you? Looks like oil. Brent commodity is on the drop. Yeah, I'm out of the oil. I didn't like it. You know that I'm not a fan of oil anyway. I got in it, made a little bit of money on it. The few that we did, because it popped up, but it's all gambling right now. We don't want oil to be like it is. Root has popped up today. Look at that, up 7.83%. I have 100 shares of Root. I'm down 8.73 total return, but I'm in it now, so that's looking good. SoFi is up 1.95 today, looking much better. Nvidia, story of the day, up 7% today. Massive growth today. The Vanguard S&P, as I've said to you, because I've sold all my Bitcoin and all my crypto, I'm now more into the S&P 500. I need to bring stability back into my portfolio. I used to be in Bitcoin and Ethereum, but I've sold out all of it for the reasons I've given before. It's not doing what it should be doing right now. Today it's up 2%, which is great. It's great, and don't get me wrong, it could go all the way up to 100,000. It could do, and I hope for the people who have it, it does, and great. But I would prefer my money to be in other things right now, which is exactly what I've done. All right, so there we go. Let's carry on. We got as far as Nvidia. We got VU. Yeah, we got to VU, and then we went to Tesla. Tesla today over 801 again. Now I'm down just $40. But I've now got 10 shares of Tesla, so I'm very excited. I've lowered my average to 805. So as you can see, I'm down at the moment $44. Once that goes up to somewhere in the region of $1,000, which I think it could, and if it does $1,000, that means I will have 200 times 10, $2,000 profit in that, which is very, very nice. And in time, in a couple of years, Tesla could be $3,000 share in time, in a few years' time. So I'm glad I'm in there. Thank you for all the likes. If you're over on TikTok and you want to promote my show and help me grow, just double tap the screen and the likes go up and more people get to see us. Rivian has risen today, 37. My average there is $39, which is nice, very close now to my average. And I've already made money on Rivian, so we've just got a better position. Virgin Galactic had a great day today. It's risen 6.5%. Everything has risen today. If you'd have bought the dips this morning, you'd have been very, very happy. Now, Amazon, very good story. Amazon up 3.27% today, which means I'm up nearly 3% overall, which is $82. How is WEX trading? Last time I saw it, it was on the drop as well. WEX trading. Let me have a look. You want to know about WEX trading? I'll have a look for you. WEX, there it is. WEX is up 1.88 today. If we scroll back, it's down on the week though, as everything is. But WEX has had a good day as well. No, WEX has had a good day, just like everything else. Yep, there you go. That's the one you were looking for. We showed you there. Right, carrying on. Nvidia up 7% today. I'm still 4% out of the money, but I've been buying the dips, getting better and better all the time. Palantir is up 8.86. Facebook is also up 1.76 today. Still 16% out, but much, much better. Lucid, much better today as well, 0.74. Robinhood up 2.68. It looks pretty much across the whole board. Everything has been up, but it's only great if you bought in the market today. If you bought in the market today for the very first time, you're having a great time right now. Hi, Leah. There we go in the other room. Welcome, Leah. Immersion is up 4.63, $5 today. Much, much better. These are all my stocks, by the way. These are all the stocks I hold in my portfolio. These aren't random stocks. These are all my stocks. Do you think ZOM will ever recover? I honestly don't know anything about ZOM. If you come over to YouTube, links in the profile, or just go to youtube.com/Martyn, the Day Trader 1, or look on the profile here of TikTok and you see the all links button, and right at the top you see Martyn Lucas Live, that's the music, and then you see the Day Trader Live. Click on that and you can ask the day traders yourself. You can ask them. I've got some very small and very large traders here in YouTube with me. You can ask them your question. I'm sure they'll answer you in an honest way. Let's have a look at market profit. It's here today. Market profit. I think that's smart of you to average into index. The S&P, we are in for some major leg downs over the next few months. And if you are still comfortable being in the markets, this will be the safest. Yes, exactly. So what I've done, market, I agree with you there. I totally agree. I'm out of Bitcoin. I'm out of Ethereum, even though they're up today. I'm out of those now. And my portfolio is up today, nearly 6%. What I've done is I'm using some leverage as well. I'm happy to use leverage, my margin, because if you look at history, over 90 years, the S&P has been up 10% a year, which is great. I'm happy to make 10% a year, if I'm honest. If I can grow my portfolio to $200,000, which I believe is possible within 2 years, if it wasn't for the war, I would have been at 100,000 now, I'd imagine. If I can grow to 200,000, that'd be 20 grand a year. That's an income. That's an income for me because I have no car loan, no mortgage. 20 grand a year, I could live on that, no problem at all. So I would like that. So if I can earn 20%, 10% a year, which is what the average over 90 years has been, then that's great. I'm more interested in that than just trying to go for go for broke and $1 million and all the rest of it. If you've just tuned in, subscribe and ring the bell. Give me a thumbs up. We're a bit low on the likes. The reason why we've got less viewers at the moment is because the clocks have gone forward, and our friends over there in the UK, it's not the most convenient time. The audience that we have joins us an hour later. It's why we are actually down at the moment. Since the clocks went forward, we've got another 2 weeks before they catch up in the UK. It does mean that we are lower on numbers. You are seeing it every day. Let me check all the screens. Yep, we're all working. But yeah, that's why we've got lower numbers. Since the clocks went forward, I noticed we've got lower numbers. Yes, you are currently 5 hours ahead of us rather than 6. And that's what's... Oh, hang on, sorry. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, you're 5 hours ahead instead of 6. You're normally 8 in the evening right now, 8:15, 12 minutes past 8. But there you go. It's caught everybody unawares, and... now everybody knows. It still doesn't help because it doesn't fit into their time frame as much. Okay, because an audience build themselves around their time zones and their convenience. And when you change by an hour, don't expect your audience to be there the same as before. And that's what's happening right now. Anyway, we got as far as Lucid up 1%. Robinhood is up nearly 3%. Palantir is flat today. PayPal is up 2.64. Hey Tom, I made him a latte. She did. Immersion is up 4.73. On is up 4.58. This is so good today. Rolls-Royce, on the other hand, hasn't recovered. Still down 8%. Rolls-Royce has collapsed recently. I did have a decent profit in that, but it's all gone to nothing. Boeing is up 1.76. Apple is up 2.7. That's much, much better. Still down, though. Ooh, he's got a posh coffee this time. Yeah, indeed. Google is up 1.66. Yeah, we got one of those machines, those latte machines, Tom. Can you believe it? Very posh here at the Day Trader Studio. It's Zomedica, but I'll have a look on YouTube. Thanks. Yeah, come and join us. Got some great people here. Encourage your viewers to share your lives. Thank you ever so much. If you could share my lives, that would be great. Just tap the screen and share the like button. This will be a good week to go long, but I believe we will sell it into the close on Friday, and likely Monday will be another brutal start to the week. Bear market rallies can be really amazing. There is market profit on the screen. This is our YouTube comments TikTokers. If you see here, these are the comments from YouTubers. If you want to come and speak to these traders, you need to be on YouTube. All right. So there we go. Having a look now at Bitcoin, it's up 2% today. I sold mine at 38.5, 39, something like that. So it dropped back down. It's back at where I sold it now. I perhaps might buy back in Bitcoin if Bitcoin was down at 30 again, but not right now. Not right now. I see more opportunity in everything else. Coca-Cola is up 2% today, and Google is also up 1.65. Still down on it though. I own a whole share of Google. In fact, 1.21. Apple, we just said, was up 2.68, still down 3%. So the overall portfolio today now is up 6%, 1,889, much, much better than yesterday. But if we get that in perspective, on the week, I'm still down 7% overall. And over the month, I'm still down 17.5%. Over 3 months, you want the scary numbers? 28%. So as you can see, we were a long, $13,000 off where we were 3 months ago. All right, $13,000. That's the lowest we've dropped. 13 grand. We were down 11. There we go. The lowest is 13 grand. So we've got 13 grand. We've got 28% to rise to get back as where we were. This is why I've moved more of my money now into VU, the S&P 500. And I'm giving myself a more stable portfolio, taking some risk out of it. I still have my Tesla, and remember, Tesla does make up the Vanguard S&P 500. The biggest stock, though, on the S&P, as you can see, is Apple at 7%. Followed by Microsoft at 6%. Let's zoom that in for you. There you go. There's Microsoft at 6%. Amazon is at 3%. Google is at 2%. Tesla is at 2%. Facebook 1.93, Nvidia 1.59, Berkshire Hathaway 1.49, Johnson & Johnson 118. And if you look at it, the yield is good. Oh, hello. Somebody wants to go live with me. I'll accept that with you. What do you want to do? Here we go. Oh, they changed their mind. Sometimes you get someone who wants to go live with you. I don't mind doing that. Don't kick yourself, Martin. Although the last 6 months have been brutal, you have nearly 7 times your initial investment in such a short period of time. Yes, I know. I've done okay, but I'm moving now more into the S&P because I know my targets. The thing is, when you invest, you have to decide what is it you want to achieve. You trying to beat the market, become the richest man in the world, make $1 billion from Bitcoin, then you play the markets differently. If you say to yourself, all right, I'm a 53-year-old guy, which is my age right now. In 20 years' time, by the age of 65, I would like to be able to have an income without having to do any work whatsoever. As it happens, I don't do work anyway. I do this. It is work, but I enjoy doing it, all right? But I'd like to be able to earn 20 grand a year. Would 20 grand a year be able to provide me with a basic standard of living? Yes, because I own my house and don't have a car loan and stuff like that. 20 grand a year could feed me, keep me electric, keep me food, keep me clothed, keep me heated, water, and pay the council tax and all the rest of it. That'd be fine. That's my target then. All right. Doesn't mean it has to be just that. I'm sure I'll have some cash saved up as well, but 20 grand. So how can I achieve that? I can achieve that by getting a $200,000 portfolio and having 10% a year would give me 20 grand a year. And then, of course, I could always at some point sell the house or rent the house or sell the portfolio or bring it down, take something out of it, whatever. But that's what I'm aiming to do. So to do that, if I want to earn 10% a year, I've got to grow this portfolio to 200,000, which looks unlikely right now, but I'm sure it can get back up to 100,000 within a year. So I've got time to do that. And if I can get 10% a year on the S&P, so that's a stable, secure. Now, that doesn't mean to say that's all I'm going to do. On top of that, I've got everything else. I've got my Tesla and I've got my Rivian and my SPCE. SPCE by the end of the year could be $100,000. Sorry. It could be $100,000 in a portfolio here. If it goes up to 100,000, if it goes up to $100 a share, which it could do, there's 70 grand here. I could trim it off the top, and of course, when we get the flights, it will pop up, and after the flights, it will pop back down. So if we get great news, and suddenly this goes up to $30, $40, $50 a share, whatever, I will sell it, it'll drop back down, and I'll buy it again. And I'll use the profits I made to buy it, so it'll be free money at that point. That's what I'll do. But obviously, everything right now is around the war, so that's what the problem is right now. Okay, if you've just tuned in, we're a bit quiet, and that's because of our time change. Subscribe and ring the bell and give us a thumbs up. Hey, it's the second time today to smash the like. Here he is. Smash the like, Robert. I'm going to be the first one. Yes, I'm the first. Yes, get in. I was the first again today. Beetle Sean was second, though. He came right in behind me. Oh, look at that. There we go. I was pretty good, though. I'll take that. There we go. Smash the like, Robert from Dallas, Texas. Lovely to have you here. Right, an update where we are on the channel. We are Sorin S is here. We've got 2,394 subscribers. There you go. We've had 20 people come through the stream so far. I have noticed that we do get less when we go this time. The hours hasn't caught up yet to our friends in the UK, so we'll miss the first hour of our friends in the UK. This doesn't fit their time zone, but we've got another couple of weeks before that corrects itself, and you'll see how the numbers will go up. Over there on TikTok, Med, thanks for the follow, and DreeWC, thank you for the follow, 1993. Thanks, think everyone would love 20 grand a year. Yes, indeed. I think that's achievable. That is certainly achievable. Making cash online with Mamo. How are you? Giving me some likes on the screen. Tap the screen with 2 fingers. Let's get the likes up. Let's get the likes up. Smash the like. Mike's come in. There we go. Mike's here today as well. Mark Corn. Sorry, we're getting all the old school come in today. Our members, we've got Mike's a member, we've got Mark Corn. Have you noticed their badges have turned gold now? They get extra benefits. They've been a member for 3 months. For those of you that haven't been here before, let me share with you the all links button. On the all links button is the Discord group, the Twitter, the Facebook, the Instagram, the free stocks, the free shares. If you click any of those brokerages, you get free stock and free shares. If you want to be a member, I'll tell you how many members we've got now. Nearly everybody who watches is a member now. Let me show you how many we've got. Let me show you how many we got. I'll bring it up here now. Let me go into here and I'll tell you. I think it's 37, 38. Everyone join the show. Okay, nice one, Mike. I'll have a look now. I'll share it with you. Here we go. It is. I think it is. Here we go. Let's have a look. Memberships. 38. 38. Here we go. There we go. Let me share it with you. Look. 38. This is my analytics. Look. 38 members. We're up 15% from the last 28 days. Members gained 11, which is less than the last month because obviously the growth slows down because at the beginning everybody originally signs up. And cancellations in the last 4 days, in the last 28 days, just 4, which is down 56%. So now people aren't cancelling when they're staying. There's all our golds, bronze, silver and gold. Look at that. 38 members. That's a record. We've never been, that's the highest we've been. Absolutely fantastic. 38 members. That is amazing. That's pretty much everybody who watches the show is a member. I'm very, very proud of that. I think that's absolutely awesome. Awesome stuff. Now, I've now received, wanted you to know that I've received, every day we try to support, on my music channel, we try to support our friends in Ukraine. And every day we do a Ukraine event. And the only way we can reach those people is through YouTube ads, because my audience is not in Ukraine. So I've been doing YouTube ads. And it's been funded by William Karom, who's donated $100, and Muzanella, who's donated $100. And I will share with you right now, and you can see what we've managed to achieve. And those of you who didn't see the video the other day, I hope you did, when we did a live show, and people who were in a bomb raid, in a bomb shelter, let me know they were listening to my REM, Everybody Hurts, at the time. So here we go. I want to share with you. This is William Karom. He gave me $100, and 100% of that money goes directly. Let me show you. Look, so you can see here. This is William Karom's ad. Look, the budget is $100. That's what he donated. It's spent $10 so far because it's over the whole month. It will spend the whole thing, and it's 4,000 views so far. Look, for $10. And look. Look, no views here, no views in Russia, no views Georgia. It's just targeted here. And in the center of Kiev, 341 people. Look at that. The most people, 716 in Lviv. There you go. So that's what you have done with your money. And I've got another ad which is being funded by Muzanella. It doesn't earn me any money. It's not about that. It's about giving those people a video where they can see, and I sing songs and say, we're all thinking of you, and you message them and everything like that. And it really works. They've messaged me back during their live bombings. Can you believe it? So thank you to Muzanella, and thank you very much to William Karom, our 2 donators. And there are more people asking me now. If you want to do it, it's martyn@martynlucas.com, PayPal. That way you can send it directly. There's no cut from YouTube. I'll give you the email, and I will share with you your ad on the screen, and you can see what you're doing, and you can see how many people see it. It's quite a beautiful thing, right? Okay. And if you didn't see the video, I will just share it with you quickly here. This is the link to the video in case you missed it. This was the video here. Wow, it's already done 1,000 views, this video. Here it is. This video here, if you're interested, this is the moment when 58 people called in and they could see that they were being bombed at the time. Look, you can see here, look. There, you see it there, look? There's the message on the screen from YouTube. Thanks to Elon Musk, we have Starlink. 58 people with their cats and dogs were in a bomb shelter. Thank you from all of us. Can you believe that? So anyway, I've shared it with you. You've got the link in the chat. I'll give it you one more time so you can see it. Go and have a little listen. Leave a comment to our friends in Ukraine. And if you want to be part of it, just let me know. All right. Mike says, nice one. Thank you, Mike. Appreciate that very much indeed. All right. Let's go over to the main portfolio. We're up 6% now. 6.43 to date. Over 2,100. We're really running away now. Mullen has gone back down again. You might fancy a pop there now. But as Peru Invest himself said, it is gambling at the moment on this stock. So I can't afford to gamble. Don't enjoy gambling either. Hi everyone. Yahoo Tesla market makers. Yahoo Tesla market makers. Let's have a look at Tesla right now. Yep. Tesla is up 4.64. Right. I'm still out of the money, as you can see. Total return is down $37. 0.5%. You're watching it change live there on the screen. Over there on TikTok. Bush, how are you? Lovely to have you there on TikTok. Live on the screen behind me, you can see our trades here. Tesla, just as predicted. Hi, everyone. Just as predicted. Yeah, you said it would go up to 800 again. You did. I'm very happy to own Tesla. Really am. I mean, to have 10 shares of it now at an average of 805, I'm thrilled to bits with that. Thrilled to bits with that. I think in the coming months, that'll go over 1,000, 1,200. When is the next earnings report from Tesla? Look at their earnings. Just keeps going up. Expected April 27th. April 27th. So that'll be a good after hours. I still have Tesla bought at 1,000. Yes, I had some Tesla bought at 1,100, 1,200. I know exactly how you feel there, Mike. Know exactly how you feel. I've used my margin. Remember I said months ago I'd never use margin. I wouldn't use margin to buy high-risk stocks. I don't think you should use margin to buy something. Now, some of you might say Tesla's a high risk. I mean, Tesla, just to put it into context, Tesla is in the Vanguard S&P 500. Only 2%, mind you. Look, 1.98, but it is. These are the safe stocks, right? But that's why it's only 7% compared to Apple, which is 7, Microsoft, which is 6. And the other thing as well is, remember about the S&P 500, is you also get dividends payouts as well. So 10% plus dividends, it's a nice little foundation to your portfolio. To have that underneath, under everything else, I like it. And I think it's bringing stability into my account. So what I'll do now, what I will do is as Tesla pops up and makes me money, let's say Tesla goes to $1,000, right? What I will do, I will sell, let's say Tesla goes to $1,000 right now, okay? That means I would have $10,000 in Tesla. That means it would be somewhere about 16% of my portfolio. That's too much. So what I would do is I would sell 2 shares of Tesla, which would give me $2,000, because let's say it's $1,000 a share, and I'd put that straight into VU. So $2,000 would go into VU. It would still be connected to Tesla, because Tesla is 2%. So 20 bucks of it would be on Tesla anyway, but the rest of it would be spread across. That's how I'm planning on going forward. I think it's good to have a plan and a target to set to. I can't stop too long. Man United are playing tonight. I'm playing risks in oil right now. You are, because oil is set to go down. And remember, you made the money on the way up, but everybody in the industry, everybody, including governments and everyone, is trying to get oil prices down. So you are playing a gamble there that you're buying it because it's up. It could drop now. It's at the top. I wouldn't be in oil anymore. I'd have made my profit and I'd be out. But that's up to you. And I understand you're watching Man United. One of my friends, Mark, over in England, my mate Richard, he's from Cornwall. He's got a box at Manchester United, at Old Trafford. Got a box. So you let me know when you go there. And Richard, my mate, might be in his box. Give him a wave. I can't stop too long. There's Mark Corn. Not SPY. I bought VOO. That's what you meant, isn't it? I bought a few shares of the SPY. SPY or VOO, pretty much the same thing. Some people say, well, why, if they're the same S&P 500, why are they at different prices? Because they were set up at different times and they've made profits at different times. That's the only reason why the prices are different. It doesn't matter. The percentage of the rise and fall will be the same. Doesn't really make a damn bit of difference which one you buy. Doesn't make a difference. So there you go. This is for you then, Mark. Man United. This is me at Manchester United a long time ago. This is, when was this? This was about 20 years ago. Do you want to have a look at me at Manchester United? Look, and you can see how long ago this was because David Beckham's playing. You ready? All right, here we go. This is for my mate Mark Corn. There I am. Look, I'm the guy on the left with the Man United shirt on when they were sponsored by Sharp. There's my brother. Look, I've got glasses and I've got an earring. Look at that. Rock and roll years. There's me at Man United. There's Old Trafford. And here's David Beckham playing on the pitch, on the field at Manchester United. There you go. But my mate Richard has a box at Old Trafford. And he's offered it me a few times. Yeah, I had hair. Yeah, you cheeky sod. Yeah. He said you had hair. Yeah, probably. We all had hair 30 years ago, mate. Everybody. Even Kojak had hair at one point. I guess. I don't know. Just made that up. Anyway, there we go. Back to the stocks. We are seeing a rise now. I hope things can stay here. Because the only problem is if you're not trading, you're just watching this go up and down. You're up 1 minute and down the next. It'd be great to sell everything right now and then buy it back cheaper, wouldn't it? But the only way to do that is you have to know it's going to go back down and lower than before. Don't worry, even I'm going to end up as bold as my dad. There you go. Thank you, Mark. So let's have a look at it now then. Mullen is still falling down. This is what Peru Investor's in right now. There we go. We've just hit 35,000. 35,000. Where were we this morning? 32. Ooh, what a day. Wow. We were down here today at 32.5. Look at that, 35. Look at that, everybody. What a day. Now, I just want to see it stay there and tomorrow do it again. I want to get back to 58,000 as soon as I can. I want to start getting my all-time highs. Funny old school. There, that was old school. David Wood. How are you, David? Lovely to have you here on TikTok. Welcome to the party. Lovely to have you here. Welcome to you. Root is up 9.25. I'm still out of the money, by the way. I'm still out of the money. 7.53 down. SoFi, big turnaround today. Nvidia, 8% today. Much better. The overall portfolio now is 6.64. So, in a minute, we are going to do the day trader of the day. Now, I don't know if I'm going to win because we're all experiencing the same benefits today, but I'm not going to lose, put it that way. I don't think I'm going to be in last place today. Let's have a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is doing well, 2.6%, 39.7. I don't feel tempted to buy it though. Remember, let's get it into context, guys. When we get all excited about becoming a rich man with Bitcoin, let's say, for example, this goes up to 80,000, 39 to 80,000, let's say. That's gone up 100%, basically. It's doubled in price. It's gone up 100%. Okay? At that point, people will sell and it will fall back down again. Well, we know there are stocks that can do that. We've done that with oil. We've done that on many things. The VOO today was which is a stable stock, which is very comfortable, is up to 2% today. So you can make money in other ways. It doesn't have to be just in crypto. Everyone thinks the only way to get rich is invest in crypto, but it really isn't. It's an alternative, and it should be part of your portfolio, but I think it's the wrong time now. I'd like to see Bitcoin fall back down again and then see where it goes, but it hovers around this 38, and it's been there for a while. Anyway, let's bring up the score. Deep in the money is up 3.1. It's a bit early yet for the day trader of the day. I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll do it now. Let me try and fix that a minute. TikTok's got a really bad, there we go, exposure problems on TikTok. Let me go to the main portfolio. Let's have a bit of fun then. So I'm up 6.51. This isn't the competition. We'll do it again at the hour when we close the show. So let's go up 6.51. Now, for those of you, just for practice, I want to practice posting. Crypto won't always make you rich. That's absolutely right, Mark. You're absolutely spot on. It's no different than any other asset. Stop doing it. Stop doing it. Stop putting your things up. What's going on? Right, up 6.51%. Stop it. I've got to give you the timer. This isn't even the real one. This is the practice. Oh my God, everyone's gone crazy. This is the practice according to Deep in the Money. Ready? Well, I was late last time, remember? Yeah, so now you're making up for it, right? By the way, for those of you who have wondered, I've been wearing a black tie. A black tie went on at the beginning of the war, and a black tie will come off at the end of the war. And I can't wait for the end of the war to come because I want to stop wearing a tie. I tell you that. I want to stop wearing a tie. I can't wait for it to be over. Anyway, are you ready? Okay, let me that's better. That's better. I just fixed them on the screen. Give you a 1 minute timer. You ready? Okay, 1 minute from now. Come on then. I am up 6.51, 6.63. It's going up 6.69. There we go. So Mark is up 1.8. Nice one, Mark. 7.22. Sorin S. 7.51, 7.22. Deep in the money is 3.1. Up 2.28. Nice one, Bill. The leader so far is 7.51. Sorin S. I'm now 6.67. I'm catching up quicker and quicker as seconds go by. Deep in the money, 3.8, 3.17, 6.67. The leader is Sorin S. I'm all in space. Not literally, I hope. 3, 2, 1, here we go. There we go. Sorin S is our winner today. Let's post Sorin S's score on the board. Sorin S, 7.22. Let me fix TikTok. God, why can't TikTok have a decent exposure? Doesn't know how to handle light. It's because you're on your phone, see? Anyway, we're fixed now. So, Sorin S is up 7.22. Let's, first of all, thank you for your honest trades. Give us a thumbs up and big round of applause. There we go. Well done, mate. You did very well. 7.22 today. Doop doopy doopy doo doo doopy doopy doo wah bam ba doopy doo wah. There we go. Bam bam ba dee dum. Congratulations, Sorin S. Great score, 7.22. You beat me, you bugger. I thought I was going to win today. Never mind. All right. I thought I might win today, but never mind. Nice one. Oh, by the way, is CMV Studio still watching the show? Tom, are you still watching the show? Because I've got to tell you something. You might not have noticed it. Something really, really cool. Good job. We're all green today. Yes. In fact, let's have a look at the whole portfolio, shall we? Shall we see if we are all green? Every stock is green. Let's have a look. Scroll down. Is every stock green? No. Rolls Royce is not green. One stock, two stocks. My S-dividend stocks are down. Rocket Labs are down. ARC. EVGO. So as you can see, there are a couple of stocks that are down. Let's have a look actually at our ARC W. Let's look at that one, and let's also look at ARC as well. Everyone says I should get out of ARC. Well, you were wrong there, weren't you? You were wrong there. Well, you're wrong today anyway. It's all down 17%. It's down 17%, starting to improve. And what does ARC invest in? Healthcare, technology, communication, consumer cyclical, industrials, consumer defense. There we go. Tesla's 10%. That's why it's gone up. But Teladoc is 6%. Roku is 6%. Zoom. Don't know why we're in Zoom. I think they should get rid of Zoom. I don't know what Zoom's doing right now, but anyway. What was the other one? Oh yeah, SPS Global X Super Dividend. That's down at the moment. I have that's 30% down. That one. I've got got quite a bit of that. I got 120 shares of that. I had no idea I had so much as that. Anyway, this one pays dividends. Doesn't really earn you very much. It's down 30%. Global X Super Dividend. That's not surprising. You can see that, look. Yeah. Interesting. Anyway, 1,200 shares of that. I can't really do nothing with that right now. It's down 30%. This was April 20. As you can see, it doesn't do a great deal. 51% over the last 5 years. It fell off during COVID, and it rose, but then it's fallen back again. This is mainly for earning dividends. It doesn't really pay anything other than dividends, so it's good from that point of view. And if I look at the history, you can see what it's paid me. There you go. How many shares have I got? Is that one? Oh yeah, there we go. I've got 120 shares. I've got 120 shares, and it pays. Let's have a look. Dividends. There we go. March the 11th, and it was reinvested. 11.90. So I earned. That's every month. Look, every month. Look at that. See, it basically earns me $12 a month. See that there? Look. February I earned $12. March I earned $12, and now I've started to reinvest it. So even though it's not making any money from the point of view of growing on growth, it is earning me $12 a month. Well, $12 a month. That's 120, 144. Is it 120, 136, something like that a year? You know, that's okay. And that's all the time, every month, without selling any of the stock, without doing anything. And remember, you can earn so much capital, you can earn so much dividends a year without paying any tax as well. So it's quite useful. Why are you not popular on the? Why are you not popular? Only 2 people in here. You seem quite informative. Who knows? TikTok. People don't share. TikTok. What you know? Most of my audience are on YouTube, because if you're a serious trader and you invest, the majority of people are actually watching me on YouTube. This is YouTube right now. This screen here is my YouTube broadcast. You're watching me on my phone, and my phone is looking at my YouTube broadcast. And my YouTube audience are right here. And that's where my traders are. That's where my investors are, and the community that trade. So if you want to join us, you've got 2 ways of doing it. Click the profile here and you'll find my little icon, YouTube icon behind Instagram. Or you can click on the All Links button. Click on the All Links button, my web link, and it will show you 2 live streams. There's the Martyn Lucas one, which is my music channel. And just underneath there, There's the day trader. Click on that and I'm live right now. Very, very easy. You can do that. Or you could just type in youtube.com/thedaytrader1 and that's where I am right now. Come and join me. But we've only been on TikTok for a few months. We're pretty new. But we have, was it 14,000 followers? Not bad, I guess, in a few months. Anyway, back to the main portfolio. I can close that down now. We're back to there. Right, where are we now? So we're up 6.84 now. We're still climbing. YouTube is more serious. We have a better community. Hello, TikTok. Right, I'm going to put that on the screen. Look at this right now. Look on the screen behind me. I'll zoom in. This is Deep in the Money. He's got a message for you. Look. Right, I'm zooming in. Look there. See it? That's our... And I'm also going to put you on this screen here. This is Deep in the Money. He's done a message for you. Look, look. If you look here now on TikTok, look, there is your message on YouTube, and that is Deep in the Money. YouTube is more serious. We have a better community here. Hello, TikTok. All right, like that? All right. Brilliant. Okay. Let me just change that to the trading screen, and you can see YouTube is more serious. There you go. See it now? Here it comes again. Look. This is for you from Deep in the Money. There it is, just there. See it? All right, I'll scroll back out again now. We've had enough of that. All right. There we go. So we're now up at 6.69. It's falling off slightly. We've got 12 minutes to go. Is the oh, MOL is diving now. MOL is down 1.61. So you wanted to get into MOL. This would be the time to do it. We had the pop, and then maybe it'll do it. Maybe it'll do it again tomorrow. I don't know, but Peru Invest himself said it's gambling at the moment for the next couple of years. All right. So anyway, I'm not trading right now. Oh yes, we were looking at SPCE. One of you said, where was it? All my money is Sorin S. There he goes. Yes, 7.36. I can see what you mean there. 7.22. Yes, that's same for me. You're pretty much same as me, aren't you? Looking at Virgin Galactic today. If I'd bought this morning, I would have sold that most certainly and made some money there today. Up $500 if I'd bought 1,000 shares this morning. If I'd bought 1,000 shares this morning, I could have made $500 if I'd done that today, because it's risen by $500 today on 1,000 shares. That's what I could have made if I'd bought 1,000 shares, which would have cost me $7,000 this morning. I could have made $500 by today. There you go. Let's see if David joins us. Love your positive attitude. Okay, no, can't. What can't you do? I don't know inflation. What don't you know? Why are you not? I don't know. I don't know inflation. Oh, okay, no, can't. Lose. Oh, love your positive attitude. Well, thank you very much indeed. Why can't you join us, YouTube? I've given you 3 ways to join us. I don't know why. Why can't you join us? Bitcoin is now falling back again. 39. So is Ethereum. It's following the markets right now. JP501 just joined us. We've got 10 minutes to go. And then we're going to wrap up the show. Another good day today. Much more positive, I think. Right, with 7% now. We are rising into the climb. I hope this is not a sell-off around the corner. 7% now. 35,150. Where are the biggest rises coming from? Not Root. Not SoFi. Not Nvidia. VU, yes. VU is delivering. VU is definitely delivering. Up $100 now total. Tesla. It's Tesla a little bit. 803. Rivian. That's lifting up. We've got 9 minutes to go. Virgin Galactic, there we go. It's Virgin Galactic which is rising. Now, this is a very big surprise because we're not going to get the big money, the real growth, until the summer when we get that information of the flights. But it's good to see it improving again, though. Amazon, that's giving me some good money right now. There we go. I'm up 4% on Amazon now. Very nice. Twitter is improving. Nvidia It's got a bit of a spike. We've got 7 minutes to go. Oh, Palantir, that's rising quickly. Up 2.5% now. Just 20 shares of it, though. Where's my GGPI? We're getting a big rise now on Facebook, everybody. That's pumping up now. Facebook has done well today. Lucid. Oh, Lucid's also lifting off into the close. Robinhood, Palantir, PayPal. PayPal's having a good push now. Over $100. PayPal, very, very nice. Immersion, on. Rolls-Royce. Boeing. Boeing's doing well, 2.51. Apple, very well in the last few minutes. Coke. Google, yes, also doing very well. Ethereum, Bitcoin falling back now a little bit. Yeah, where's my GGPI? Let's have a look. GGPI, I don't know why that's not showing up. GGPI, Gores Guggenheim. Let's have a look at that. Ah, there we go. 10.65. There we go. I'm still down $1. Sorry, I'm down 1%, but that's improving today. There you go. Oops. Let me fix YouTube, TikTok again. There we go. Sorin S. I have an average cost 11.5 in space. I started buying when it dropped to $15 and lowered my average since then. And now I'm waiting for the rocket to take off. I totally and utterly get that. Do you know, Sorin S. I had Virgin Galactic. I had 15 shares at one point. I've had 1,500 shares as well, and I've sold 1,500 shares 20, 30 times. But at one point, I had my 15 shares at $35 a share. It felt cheap at $35. Look at it now. It's been as low as $6.50 or something like that. And in fact, the all-time low, I can read it for you now, is $6.71. $6.71 is the 52-week low. I'm getting that information from there. Look, 52-week low, $6.71. But yeah, this will fire off when we get the test flights. In between now and then, it'll go up and down, all over the place. And you've got couldn't see the board. You couldn't see what board? What's the board? Couldn't see the board. Couldn't see the board. I think David's trying to come over, but I don't understand what he's saying. He says can't see the board. There's 3 ways to do it, David. You click the profile link here. Just click it, and then you see my icon, and you click the icon, and then you're on the profile of TikTok, and then you see the Instagram icon. On the Instagram icon, there's a YouTube link. There's one way. Or right on my profile, it's got the website, all links. martynlucas.com/all links. Click on that, and it takes you to the website, and then you'll see Martyn Lucas Live and the Day Trader Live. That's the live show right now. Or you type in youtube.com/the Day Trader 1. Couldn't be easier. I don't know what else to do to help. Virgin Galactic is up 8% now today, still rising. Gores Guggenheim is also rising. The portfolio now is up 7% now. 7%. Let's hope so. Sorry, I don't see there's much doubt about it. I don't see any doubt whatsoever about it. The only thing that you've got to decide is it going to be the space company of the future, which I believe it will be, and then you could say, I'm never going to sell. So you could say, all right, I've got shares here, Virgin, at $7.35, or in your case, 11, but you're still cheap. Once it gets to 50, 60, 100, 200, which it could be once they start flying regularly, you could say, great, I'm going to keep my shares, and you've got all those shares. But remember, you never earn dividends on this stock. It's a growth stock. So you only make money if you sell. You don't make any money from dividends or anything like that. There's no dividend payouts. They could introduce them in the future, but there's nothing there at the moment. So there's no dividend payout. So you only make money when it goes up. Now, between now and in the future, when they're flying every day and it's a company that's doing really well, there's going to be all the first flights, and they're not going to be at full speed. They're going to be one this week, one next week, and so on and so forth. So we're going to go up and down, up and down. And what you could do, just like it did in its history, every time we get a test flight, it goes up and drops back down. Test flight drops back down, and then we've had no news. And the reason why all this has been coming down is because they announced there's no flights until next year, and everybody took their money out because, you know, the war, COVID, and everything else. And at the end of the day, the stock isn't going to make any money right now. So people have moved their money into other things. People have been buying oil and all the rest of it. And at the end of the day, there's no money to be made in Virgin right now. So the price has dropped, which has now presented the opportunity to buy in. Going to sell when it goes into the 25 range. If it goes, it'll definitely go there. That's very sensible. You'll make some money on that, won't you? See, that was my 10,000 magic. See that? What am I seeing? What am I seeing? Peru has said in the chat, see, that was my 10,000 magic. Oh, Tesla. Ah, Tesla, yes. This morning, Peru Invest bought $10,000 worth of Tesla, which is about, what, 12 shares, something like that. And we had that discussion. It will take several million shares for the shares to go up, not just 12. So $10,000 sounds great, and he knows he's joking as well. But yeah, to influence the stock, you need to buy a big portion of the overall market cap. Then you might see it. No, I bought 10,000. Oh, 10,000 worth of space. No, Tesla. Yeah, I thought it was Tesla. Yeah. But yeah, it'd take a few million shares. That would then drive the stock up. That's the same as if everyone sold it as well. Right, the bell is about to go. Let's have a look where we are. Let's have a look where we are. Much better day today. Does everybody feel better? You should all feel a bit better today. I certainly do. 6.96. All right, let's ring the bell. We got 30 seconds to go. Let's ring the bell. Here we go. Gonna ring the bell in 30 seconds. 20. 15. 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. The bell has now gone. We are in the after hours. Let's have a look. Let's see. Now we've gone shaded because we're in the after hours of Robinhood. Now, that doesn't mean to say the after hours... Gord's Guggenheim is carrying on. The after hours doesn't mean to say the market is now closed. The main floor has now closed. The bell has now gone. But there is still trading in after hours. Now, depending on your brokerage and what access you have, the volume has gone down. It's much harder to buy and sell stocks now. They don't always go through. You put a limit order in, doesn't always go through. It depends what stock you're trying to buy. Depends if there's anybody there trying to buy if you're trying to sell, or trying to sell if you're trying to buy. But the volume now goes out, and depends on who you're with. Some brokerages will trade for another 2 hours. But that'll be it then. Nobody else will be able to trade after that. With Robinhood, they give me until 5 o'clock now. I have until 5 o'clock. I have 2 hours that I can trade now, and that's great if I want to. But the volume is gone, and the whole thing changes. Okay, so Gord's Guggenheim is up after hours. We've got scores now coming in. Soren S is 8.39. I'm 7.02. So Soren S, you'll still win. So I'm gonna I don't even need to ask. I'm gonna congratulate you again. Thank you for your honest trades. Give him a thumbs up, and here's your round of applause. There we go. Nice one. Congratulations. I know you've won. There's no point me even asking unless Peru Invest has got a score. What's the deal, Peru? There we go. Fantastic. Congratulations, Soren S. I bet you're chuffed today, right? Right. The overall market now, just in the after hours, we're just down the smallest amount, hardly anything at all. Root is down 1.3 in the after hours. SoFi is continuing to climb. Nvidia is still climbing, just a little bit. Vanguard is also is just a smidgen down, hardly anything at all. Tesla completely flat in the after hours. We made 101.89. Very, very nice. Let's see if we can go up tomorrow from there. I'm down $39 right now, but I have 10 shares. That's the most I've ever owned of Tesla. Very, very good. And the plan is, if Tesla, not if, when Tesla get to $1,000 a share, which they will, I will sell 2, and that will make me $2,000, which will be $400 profit out of the $1,600 of where we are now, and I will put that money into VU. So I will still be in Tesla, because Tesla's 2% of VU, but the majority of my my $400 profit, which is what it will be, plus the capital, so $2,000, will go into VU. And I'm going to keep doing that until VU becomes 20% of my portfolio. That is the plan. All right. Virgin Galactic, the plan for Virgin Galactic is, I have 1,000 shares right now. When Virgin Galactic goes up to $20, $30 a share, I will start trimming off. As the flight comes out, which will be in July, August time, and then it will go up to $50, and then I'll probably sell all of it, or maybe 80% of it, and then buy the rest back on the dip when it drops back down again and do it again with the profits I've made. That's the plan. And then at that point, I will own free stocks, and then the next time it goes around, the next test flight, I'll take some money out and put that into VU. So all the time using the high risk stocks to feed VU. Make sense? All right. Okay. Much better day today. Thank you for those who joined me. Peru Invest joined me today, which is very, very nice. Thank you very much indeed. If you've not yet seen this video about the moment our friend in the bomb shelter joined us over in Ukraine, they were live in a bomb shelter listening to me. There is the video. It's just 6 minutes long. If you want to go and check it out, I'll post it 3 times in the chat so you can see it. And if we've got anyone joining us right now that hasn't been here before, let me give you the subscribe and ring the bell option. There it is. Please be part of us. And if you want any of the free stocks I get and free crypto I get from any of my brokerages and my sponsors, I will give that to you now. Here it is. The all links button, plus the Discord and the Twitter and the Instagram and all that great stuff. You can be part of all that. There you go. And finally, if you'd like to become our 39th member, we have 38 members. Incredible. We have 38 members, which is more than watch our show every day. Incredible. There's the invitation to join. Don't forget to join me tomorrow for the opening bell, Wednesday, 16th of March. We're coming up to, in June, it's our first year anniversary of the show, so we're going to celebrate. And of course, Friday, for the members only, it's cash giveaway. Absolutely great. David Wood 6339. Hope to see you live again. Hopefully see you on YouTube. But that's it from me today. I'm going to wrap up the show. And there we go. We're just very slightly $100 down in the after hours overall on the overall portfolio. 0.29. It's just dropped back a little bit. But we are 7.02. That's it. Thanks for joining me. Got a great crowd today. 19 people liked the video. That's cool. Take care of yourselves. See you in the morning and each other.